9 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 1. We have 9 divided by 1. 9 divided by 1 give us 9. 9 is the wrong answer to this question because we are to solve division first before solving multiplication, because division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we should work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve 9 divided by 1 over 3 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 9, change division to multiplication, and flip 1 over 3 to 3 over 1, multiply by 3 here. Now we are going to simplify. 1 into itself 1, 1 into 9 will give us 9. Then we have 9 times 3 times 3. 9 times 3 will give us 27. Then 27 times 3 will give us 81. 81 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.